In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Steam Remote Play Together so you can play local multiplayer games with friends online even if they don't own the game. Steam Remote Play Together is a feature that lets you share a local multiplayer or split-screen game over the internet. Only one person, the host, needs to have the game installed. Your friends simply join and play with you remotely. First, make sure you and your friend are logged into Steam and added to each other's friends list. The host should install and open a game that supports local multiplayer, shared screen, or split-screen play. Once the game is running, the host needs to open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift and Tab on the keyboard. From here, open the friends list. Find the friend you want to play with, right-click on their name, and select Remote Play Together. Your friend will receive an invitation in their Steam chat. As soon as they accept it, the game screen will start streaming to them automatically. They don't need to download or own the game at all. When the session starts, your friend can use their own controller to play. Steam also allows the host to control who can use a keyboard or mouse so you can manage inputs easily if needed. For the best experience, both players should have a stable and fast internet connection. A stronger connection helps reduce lag and keeps gameplay smooth. Remote Play Together works across different devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even mobile devices. One important thing to note is that only the game window is shared. Your desktop and personal files are never visible to your friends, which keeps your session private and secure. And that's how you use Steam Remote Play Together. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.